All right, you're welcome to another very important tutorial. This is our second utility for the Kind Card token ecosystem, and this is the Kind reward network that we want to talk about. So we're using BitGet wallet. We don't use other wallets, not because you can't. You can use Trust Wallet, any type of wallet that supports a decentralized application can be used to participate. But in this case, we would use BitGet wallets for the purpose of these tutorials. So here is my wallet. I just set up this wallet in BitGet. You can have multiple wallets. You can have, hundreds and hundreds of wallets. So here I've set up this wallet. I've funded it with Kind, as you can see, and then of course BNB, which is even falling, and that's for gas fee. And because the payment is going to be in kind, right? So we're going to start. You copy the link. If someone invited you, use their referral link. And if you're inviting someone, learn to use your referral link because there's so much to earn with referrals in this system. If you refer anybody, you get a direct referral of 10%, and to six generations, you get 1% for your downlines, downlines, downlines. So there's no limit to what you start earning. So this system is going to tax you 45%, like you can see. Now, when you copy the link, you come to the search button, as you can see here, search the app. This is I clicked on wallet. When I opened my wallet, this is the home page. I went to wallet. I'm seeing the search the app. I click on it. I'll paste the website address, that is the link, and I'll visit it. It's going to redirect me. Now, this is a decentralized application. So this is the Kind Reward Network, a smart earning game on the blockchain. Kind Reward Network is a decentralized earning system designed like a growth game where users earn from real activity inside the network. Connect your wallet. So I just reading what it's about. Kind Reward Network is a decentralized earning system designed like a growth game where users earn from real activities in the network. Once you join, you activate a package and become part of the system that continuously distribute rewards based on participation and growth. How it works: when you buy a package, a one-time 45% system contribution tax is applied. It funds the reward pools, pays referral bonuses up to 6 levels, supports marketing and growth, enables ongoing airdrop. The remaining part of your package stays tied to your position in the system. Now, how you earn, there are three main streams. Daily reward pool, it grows as more users join, you get to earn more money. Then the airdrops, from time to time, there are no guaranteed times, but there will be times where you will get an airdrop bonus of random tokens inside the pool, and you just claim it just because you're a shareholder. Because the moment you buy that package, you own a share. That's why I encourage people, everybody should have a share in the Kind Reward Network, because there will be lots of surprises in the future. So all you need to do to join is choose a package, connect your wallet, buy, and start earning immediately. Now, each package costs 20,000. Now you can see me. I've clicked on the three menu box. It opens up, and then I'll click on packages. It says connect wallet. I've not connected, so I'm connecting my wallet now. Now, when you connect your wallet, make sure that it's on BNB, right? And this is set. This is because I've already bought some packages. That's why my packages is showing. I have two active shares. That means I've bought about 40,000 kind so far. And I've earned about $2. Can you see? I spent 20 something dollars, and there are only two packages, and I've already earned 4,000 kind. That is $2.7 already. That is huge. Like, this is about 5% already. So I'm wondering what I'm going to be earning in this market, because it's going to be very sweet. So you can see it now. I've gotten $2.7 out of $24. That's about 10% profit already has happened in less than 1 hour of joining. So you can see. So you click on all packages. When you click on all packages, we have only the starter pack. Anytime a new pack comes, it's going to be here. But right now, there's only one pack, the starter pack. You can buy 100 packages. Each package is 20,000 kind. You can buy this, but you can see it, all packages Starter pack price 20,000 kind, which is 13.63 dollars. Start earning immediately from daily reward pool, ongoing airdrop, 6 level referral bonuses. So I click on buy package now. I click on it. It's processing. This is purely blockchain. I don't have any access to your wallet. Nobody can have access. So this authorization will allow the Kind Wealth Network to transfer kind or execute transactions for you. So we're permitting this based on my balance. It's taking 20,000 kind, as you can see. So I'll click on confirm. I will put my fingerprints for authorization. So it's broadcasting, it's confirming that, okay, I've bought this transaction. So it's coming out. Now, if you have 10 packages, anytime it's distributing, it's going to distribute 10 times for you, like 10 of your packages would get 10 shares in anything, in any stuff coming in. Now, it's taking the money, confirm. I would still authorize with my fingerprint, and it's finally broadcasting. Now, the reason it's popping out multiple times is for security reasons. It's for security reasons. So that's why it keeps popping out. Now you can see the sign was showing they're purchased, and I now have that activated. Can you see that my package is now 3 shares? Now I can terminate all my shares. Let's say I'm tired. Look at, I've already made $5. I can decide to end all my shares, that I'm not doing this business anymore. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm not doing it anymore. So I can terminate all 3 shares. If I don't want to terminate the three and I need money urgently and maybe I'm not getting as I want and I have need, I can terminate one of the share. But mind you, you've already lost 45%, which is just one time. But the system has the potential of giving you 500% in 2 days, in 1 week. But there are no guarantees. You can even stay a day without earning. So the system works based on the logic. It's like a game, but you'll be hearing lots of testimonies on our group about this system. So all I need to do to claim, this is my reward. I can just click on claim, and it's going to claim my reward. I've gotten about 8,000 kind, and I'm excited. Right? What did I get? I think how many kind? Yeah, 8,000 kind, and it's looking good. So I'll confirm I'm claiming it. I just showed you how to claim. You click on claim. Don't terminate your shares, otherwise you will not get anything again. So now I've gone to claim my tokens. Okay, I don't know why the transaction failed, but I'll be doing. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. All right, I'm waiting for the final feedback. If it doesn't work, I'll find out why, and I'll do a second video for you to show you how to claim. Okay. All right. So it failed again. Okay. I think that was an error message. It actually claimed. It actually claimed. Let me look at it. My dashboard. I think it actually claimed. I claimed $5. Let me go to my wallet and check. I actually claimed we have 3 packages. This dashboard shows you the statistics of the site. I was wondering why I wouldn't claim. So let's go back to my wallet and check if I claimed. I mean, I'm supposed to have good, because look at it here. Can you see the transaction? So that was an error message. It was successful. 8,000 kind was paid into my amiable wallet, as you can see, cost, which is about $5 for the $5 for 5.47 cents. So that's nice. I've gotten it. So it's working, and you are invited to join the system. Invite as much people and you will be earning. This one is very sweet. 10% direct referral. Then you get 1% of your downlines downline, another 1% of your downlines downline, like that till 6 generations. So when your downlines are working, you'll be eating. It's called monkey they walk, baboon they chop. All right, thank you very much. I'm Real Collins and out. See you at the very top. Thank you.